Gmaster! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Right now, I'm pissed. Not gonna sugarcoat it, I'm pissed. So I was changing my oil, as you guys can see now. Everything was ready to go. I already tightened up my chain. I was getting ready to go ride tomorrow because we're going to a really fun track that really never opens a lot. You know, I had to change the oil, obviously, but I tightened my chain because I didn't want it to be slapping. I already had an issue with this bolt right here. For some reason, the original bolt would go all the way through and then just spin freely. I don't know why. It would back itself out, but I got a longer one and put a washer on it, so I fixed it temporarily. Over here, when I first got the bike and I adjusted the chain, I started to strip out this right here. Well, that makes no sense because why? Like, I didn't do anything. I didn't tighten it overly. I didn't do anything. It literally just started stripping. So those were the two small problems I've had with the bike, but I fixed them temporarily. They work, so I wasn't worried about it. It is kind of cold right now. It's, I don't know, 35 to 40 degrees. But as you guys can see, I'm in the garage, so it's not as cold in here. I already drained the oil, as you can see, and as I was putting it back in, I started screwing it in. So I kept going, and when it started to get a little bit tight, I obviously had to use the ratchet to start pushing it more, and then bam, it snapped. Here's the bolt right here. My oil drain plug, bolt, whatever you want to call it, completely sheared off. I'm trying to be as optimistic about this as possible. So at least I do have a bike to ride tomorrow. I asked Seth if I could ride his bike once again. Like I said, I'm trying to look at the bright sides here. A part of me doesn't want to go ride tomorrow. It's just kind of killed my whole mood, but we're still gonna go. They have a sick pit bike track there, so we're gonna try and make some content with that, so stay tuned. I don't know, man. That's just rubbed me the wrong way. How does that even happen, dude? Another thing I forgot to mention is when I was riding, you guys didn't see it, but the other day during one of my videos, this whole thing came off while I was riding. Makes no sense. I pulled off the track and this thing was gone. You can see they're two different colors. Luckily, I had a spare for when I bought it from the guy. How does this, I'm guessing it's stripped, how does this strip and how does that down there break and this fall off? I just bought the bike. Whatever, dude. Hopefully the shop will take it out. That is going there until Monday. Oh, last thing I need is my camera to get broken. I'm gonna sell it and get a Yamaha. If anyone knows anything about this, please let me know. If you have a cow and it's doing the same thing, let me know I'm not the only one, because this is really frustrating me, because I just bought it, dude. Like, come on. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. We're gonna ride that POS and then take the way bigger POS to the shop on Monday. So stay tuned for tomorrow, and we're gonna ride some pit bikes. So I hope you guys are excited for that. Ugh, squeaky brake. Got the new Pro tapers. Ah, almost fell. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to go to the track. We're already on the pit bikes ripping around this morning. Dude, these handlebars are like game changer, like seriously. We're almost done packing up and then we're gonna hit the road. So I will catch you guys when we are at the track right now. All right, boys, small problem. So we actually ran out of ratchet straps and we have a pit bike. So instead of throwing it back there with nothing, we're gonna put it in the back of the car. Yeah, we're gonna try. Wish us luck. I just gotta grab the back end. Oh, you can do this by yourself. I don't even need to help you. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna pull the ass end out. You hold up there. Okay. Oh, we got it. All day. It's going in. Dude, these bars are huge. It's going in. Yep. Now lay it down. Oh, we got it. All day long. I mean, it works. It ain't going nowhere. Now, this is a test of the Honda 110 to see if it leaks or not. Because if it leaks, there's gas going all over my boots and gear. All right, boys. We got the horses in the back, and we are on the way to the track. We're packed out. It's already 11:30, dude. We're always so late. All right, boys. We have made it to the track. It's kind of windy, so hopefully you guys can hear me. They have a sick pit bike track over there, so we're definitely going to do some pit bike races later on in the day, so you're going to want to stay tuned for that. Who do you think is going to win, me or you, on the pit bike race? You? He has no chance. I may not have endurance, but just for one lap, I can let her rip tater chip. So, guys, right now the fast guys are out on the big track. That means we got a little pit bike action. I got to turn the key. Oh, I cannot ride this. I'm gonna have to put on my Crocs. My feet don't fit on the pegs. Just gonna stay in second. This pit bike track looks absolutely sick, boys. Whoa! I'm already getting sketched, dude. My feet can't stay on the pegs. I'm gonna have to put on my Crocs to ride this bike, dude. Like, I'm not even joking. We're gonna have to do a little pit bike race once we're done riding the big track, because I can't ride this with boots. Stay tuned though, boys, because it's going down and I'm gonna wax your ass. All right, boys, we're gonna wait until the slow guys come out. We're gonna crank up the big bikes and go let her rip tater chip. All right, boys, well, I just figured out bad news. We drove all this way out here to come ride, and there's no air filter. The air filter cover from washing it from the pressure washer is still on there. So that means I can't ride today. Yeah, we're just gonna have to take turns. I cannot believe this. Here's my luck, guys. Everything I do, just like this. All right, you know what? I'll pick you guys up on the vlog camera because there's really no video anymore. Woo! Well, you only got one lap. How was it? Terrible. Terrible? Is the track good?
Yeah, the track's good, but I couldn't, like, my clutch, I basically, like, couldn't even use it. It was so far out.
Really?
I didn't, it's so uncomfortable.
I feel like a moto dad because I drove him here, gave him gas, and now I'm just here to watch, so. What the hell? Hold on. Come on, buddy. Gotta get this down.
My gloves.
You missed again. Come on! Anyways, I want to tell you guys exactly what happened. Hopefully you can hear me because it's kind of windy out here. Obviously you guys saw what happened with my Cali last night. That sucks, but I had another bike. And when we loaded up this morning, I just grabbed the bike and didn't think about it, but I left the air filter sitting out at home. So basically what happened was when we wash the bikes, we always put an air filter cover in so that water doesn't get in the intake, and I just never took it out. So can't ride the bike without an air filter. So now we only have Charlie's bikes. Now he's revving the pit bike track. As you guys can see, I might take a turn here in a second. Let's go! Faster! Oh, he's still going! What a goon! Keep it going, Rally, let's go! Keep it going! He did it again! That's 2 times in a row.
Dude, this ground is so slick.
Why is it so scary? Oh, I'm coming hot. Well, boys, here's the plan. We are doing exactly 1 lap and coming back in to let Charlie ride his bike. I just want to see what the track's like. So we're only doing exactly 1 lap, coming back in, and then we're gonna have the pit bike race. So stay tuned. We're gonna see who can run the fastest pit bike lap. All right, boys, let's get it. 1 lap. Oh, it feels so weird being back on the big bike. Oh, the ruts are big. Oh, the ruts are really big. Holy shit. Oh, what is this? Interesting. All right, I know I said 1 lap, but we're gonna hit 1 jump. That is all. Here you go, my good sir. Thank you for letting me ride it. I had to hit that 1 finish line jump. Yeah. It's just weird riding the pit bike and then getting on this. All right, boys, we're gonna cut right now to the pit bike race. So we'll see who wins. Put your bets in the comments. So stay tuned. We're gonna head there right this second. All right, here's how this is gonna work. The rules of the race. This is going to be a 1 lap race, okay? 1, not 2, not 3. Uno momento. We're gonna start right here in this sand dirt section for the start. We're gonna find a rock. Whoever's not racing is going to throw the rock up in the air, and when it hits the ground, the person on the bike goes. Okay. That's the finish line. Do you have a phone? No. Okay, I'll go get the phone and we can time it. This will be a clean race, okay? Hey! I'm quicker on my feet than you think, fool. All right, hold on, I gotta make my gate. Ah! Ah! Hold up, gotta pull my pants up, okay. Okay. Toss it that way so I have time.
Right, ready?
All right, here we go, boys. We're going full send. We could hit the jumps, but it's honestly slower, so we're not going to. I felt like that was a pretty good time. Celebratory whip. Woo! All right, what was my time?
34.94.
All right, I'm feeling good about it.
You didn't catch much air, but
I know, I did that on purpose because it's faster. All right, on your mark. You ready?
Yeah.
Kill switch. Did you see where the rock went? All right, for real this time. You ready? I think you might have the advantage. Scoot back a little bit. Scoot back. You're far up there in the start box, dude. You also have a better rut to start out on. We might have to do a round 2, best 2 out of 3. You know what I'm saying? All right, you ready? Here we go. Oh, go, go, go!
Hold on.
All right. This guy, dude. This guy. Now we gotta find the rock again. You ready?
Yeah.
there he goes. It's not looking good. Oh, it's gonna be close. Oh my God. All right, what do you think you got?
3340.
3340? So you think you beat me? Well, you better be sad because you beat me by a lot more than that. 32-9. You wanna do one more round? Winner takes all? All right, let's do it. I'm the real winner today because I didn't get kill switched. Dang, that's a big rock, dude. That thing fell from the moon last night. Yeah. All right, boys, we are absolutely sending it this time. I'm not losing again. That was a good corner. Gonna send this jump. Outside. Oh! What was it?
3477.
So I did better, but yeah. Still pretty bad. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, he went slower, but he got me. 33.5.
Oh.
You won. You're the champion. Alrighty, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Charlie won the pit bike tournament. It's been a fun day, even though we really didn't get to ride. But hey, you know, shit happens. We're gonna get the Cowie fixed. She's gonna be back in business, hopefully, and we can go ride next weekend. Hey, time me for one more lap. I think I can get faster. 32.9, but I'm just gonna try and go for that. I'm just gonna try and get in the 33s. If I can get that, I'll be happy. If you guys enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Feel free to stick to the end to see what time I get. But until next time, peace. All right, here we go. I'm definitely losing time in the corners. Come on, baby, go! Go! Come on, baby! I'm gonna guess 34.2.
3413.
Holy crap. So I was right at 33, but dude, I completely blew out one of the corners. Because like, I'm just not comfortable feeling the brake on this thing. All right, that's the end of the video. Bye-bye.